Very good morning to all. This lecture is about cloud orchestration and load balancing, and the code is TCS 750. Myself, Dr. Sachin Sharma. We are discussing Unit 3, the evaluation and description of different cloud software deployment considerations, such as load balancing, fault tolerance, accounting, and etc. IBM Cloud Orchestrator. IBM Cloud Orchestrator helps you with end to end service deployment across infrastructure and platform layers. The product offers to the customers is an extensible approach to integration with existing environments such as network management tools. IBM Cloud Orchestrator facilitates integration with customer specific service management process such as those defined in the IT infrastructure library, which is also called ITIL. Using IBM Cloud Orchestrator, the users have a consistent, flexible, and automated way of integrating the cloud with customer data center policies, process, and infrastructures across various IT domains. Using the intuitive graphical tool in IBM Cloud Orchestrator to define and implement business rules and IT policies. The user can connect the aspects of different domains into a consistent orchestration of automated and manual tasks to achieve the business goals. This is the architecture which consists of service management, workflow orchestration, software stack, which are connected to the development tools, public cloud gateways that connect to the public cloud, infrastructure as a service, which consists of storage, the service name is sender, compute, the service name is Nova, and the network. So, this is the architecture provided by IBM to their cloud marketplace. Infrastructure as a service. The infrastructure as a service component is responsible for managing access to compute, storage, and networking resources in the virtual environment. All requests to provision services across these services are performed by this component. The infrastructure as a service component is delivered by using OpenStack, which is a leading open source community driven project for highly scalable, highly resilient cloud infrastructure management. IBM is one of the platinum member of the OpenStack Foundation. As we know that using OpenStack is cost effective strategy which is adopted by many cloud service providers. Software stacks. While not a specific component itself, software stacks represent the concept that when one or more virtual systems are deployed, it is also possible to specify multiple software packages to be deployed upon first boot of those systems. It can also be done by starting simple installation scripts, but also other strong tools can be used, such as chef recipes and cookbooks for automated installation and configuration. Workflow orchestration. The workflow orchestration component provides a graphical editor that allows the user to easily customize and extend the procedures that are followed when a user request is initiated. In addition, it also provides the facilities to customize the self-service catalog so that users have access to various service request types that they can access. This component is delivered by embedding IBM's award winning business process manager technology along with a number of pre built automation toolkits which are visible at their dashboard that make it possible to integrate workflow automation with the cloud platform and its other components. The graphical designer is highly flexible, providing many integration techniques ranging from invocation of simple scripts and calling web services to starting more sophisticated programs such as those written in Java language. IBM Cloud Orchestrator Catalog. This catalog is a publicly accessible website where various forms of automation can be downloaded and used within IBM Cloud Orchestrator. This catalog includes references to supported automation communities such as Chef and various pre-built workflow orchestration routines, packages, and toolkits. This catalog is designed to ship when ready, meaning that new automation can become available at any time, regardless of IBM Cloud Orchestrator release schedules. Public Cloud Gateway. The public cloud gateway component is responsible for the integration with public clouds, which enable the complete IT services delivery on resources which are running on public clouds such as Amazon EC2, IBM SoftLayer, or non-IBM supplied OpenStack. Development tools. This box represents the ability to integrate developer tools from IBM Rational Team Concert, which is trademark, and a set of plugins within Cloud Continuous Delivery, such as that a user can automate a continuous delivery pipeline from check-in of code through build, deployment, test, and promotion. Those development tools are not provided within IBM Cloud Orchestrator, but more information can be retrieved at ibm.com. Azure Automation is a new service in Azure which allows users to automate their user Azure management task and to orchestrate actions across external systems from right within Azure. It is built on PowerShell workflow so that the user can take advantage of the language features. The first thing to do when a user start using Azure Automation is create an automation account. It is similar as if you want to use Facebook or Gmail application, you need to make the account first. The automation accounts are like Azure storage accounts in that they serve as a container. In automation, they are a container for all the users runbook executions, which is jobs, and the assets that the users runbooks depend on. Once the automation goes to GA, the user will be able to select which reason the user would like to use for the automation account. This will enable user to create affinity with the regions that the user other services are located into maximizing the efficiency. While automation remains a preview service, there will only be a one region available at East United States. This is the case study of IBM Cloud Orchestrator applications and development tools. This is the dashboard that user will be able to see when a user create an account. When users select on the dashboard and you see the plus sign where it can be created, while clicking on that option. As you see here, after naming the account, the status will show ready and the subscriptions is Visual Studio Ultimate with MSDN and the location is at East United States. So this was the use case of the IBM Cloud Orchestrator, how the automation workflow can be created using the dashboard. That's it for the day. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Thank you.